Hi, this is Tracy G out in Reno, Nevada. I'm calling with an update about what SnakeOil has done for my car. My old Subaru, it's a 1985 Subaru GL Wagon, 1.8 liter overhead cam. Now, in addition to all the improvements in engine and smoothness of operation, engine power, acceleration, and performance, something else I've begun to notice is my oil consumption and exhaust smell have improved radically. Oil consumption has dropped to a very, very slow amount. I don't have exact numbers, but it's gone way down. And especially the exhaust has cleaned up quite a bit. It used to smell a lot more. Now I barely get any smell out of the tailpipe from this car. So the SnakeOil is having continuing improving benefits for this whole car. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.